Day 3 of exploring our extension exercises on the step barrel. Today we're going to do a double frog leg lift. So very similar to the one that we did yesterday, but today 2. You want to bring your pelvis a little bit higher up on top of the barrel because of course your legs weigh quite a lot. If we're too far down, we're going to strain the back. So now I encourage you to bring your pelvis right up on top of the apex of the barrel. You are still going to need to feel your pubic bone pressing into the barrel as you lift your legs. So turning out again, gluing your heels together, so squeeze the heels. It's going to be tempting to twist your lower leg. Let your big toe touch only. You're going to lift your tummy, push your pubic bone forward, and now lift both legs. And then slowly come down. So you should be able to feel the crease at the back here working. So don't sort of do anything funky with your lower leg. Really focus on only moving from here and keeping your pubic bone anchored, and then come down. Fantastic. You'll have beautiful strong hips after doing these variations.